As presenters, our face becomes the focal point of audience attention, making it essential to master this element of nonverbal communication. Let's begin with what many speakers overlook: the neutral expression. What feels natural to you may actually be perceived as disinterest or disapproval by your audience. The solution? Know your face. Does your face at rest look sad, tired, angry, or happy? We all have natural features, and these features can often be interpreted by others in a way that does not reflect our internal emotions in that moment. Take a photo of your face at rest. Try to be objective. And if you can't be objective, ask someone close to you. If they didn't know you, how would they perceive your emotions at that moment in time? My suggestion is that we want to look like we want to be with this audience, having a conversation with them. And usually that means projecting warmth in our facial expressions. I call this a warmth behind the eyes, or hint of a smile. But, and there's a few buts here, maintaining a pleasant, engaged expression throughout your presentation doesn't mean adopting some kind of exaggerated, inauthentic smile. And context awareness is crucial. While warmth is generally beneficial, your expressions must align with your message. During serious topics, adjust your expression accordingly. Consider your facial expressions as a visual punctuation for your verbal message. While expressing excitement about opportunities, let your face show that enthusiasm. And the opposite is also true. The alignment between verbal and nonverbal communication enhances your credibility and message retention for your audience. Remember, your facial expressions set the emotional tone for the entire room. You got this.